everyone. So you can see there's a lot of work happening here. We are participating at the Kala Ghoda Arts Festival. It's a student-led project and our students' proposal got selected. And you can see them working day in and day out. They're putting in a lot of nights for this, and we are very excited because we are traveling all the way from Bangalore to Mumbai. And we would be putting up our installations, we would be preparing them here, we would be dismantling, packing and taking it all the way there. And to top it all, the experience that the students are getting from this is like invaluable, because it's mostly an idea that we usually have, but how to plan it in detail so that we can execute it is something that the students have wonderfully learned and applied their whole self onto doing and making this a reality.
Thanks to RBU for giving us the opportunity.
The whole KGAF process has been incredibly different for me in various ways. I have an excellent team working with me.
We've been working on this figurine for KGAF Fest, and we've been working really hard for the past 3-4 days, and it's coming out really well. The college has been very accommodative. They've arranged for all the funds, and we are going to Mumbai to exhibit our installation. We are very excited.
So thanks to every professors who have been involved in this, because without them we can't even get this kind of a platform.